Today we will know about physical quantity. First thing that we know, what is physical quantity? Physical quantity, those physical characteristics of a body which are used to define the state of body. That means if we want to define the state of a body, that we should know what is its physical characteristics. That is called physical quantity. It is four types. First, it is four types. First, fundamental physical quantities, then derived physical quantities, then scalar physical quantities, then vector physical quantities. These are four types of physical quantity. First is fundamental physical quantity. That means it is only of based on fundamental, that normal mass, m, length, l, time, symbol T, and temperature K. Temperature is K, that Kelvin. Okay. Then derived physical quantity. Derived physical quantity means its velocity, acceleration, force. These are derived, means these are derived from fundamental physical quantity. Derived physical quantities are derived from fundamental physical quantity. Okay. Then if we calculate velocity, then velocity equal to distance by time. Distance travel is calculated by length and time is t. Then we find velocity, that's derived physical quantity from fundamental physical quantity, that length and time. Okay. Then another is acceleration, force, velocity, and some others derived physical quantity. Then we know what is scalar physical quantity. Scalar physical quantities means those who have only magnitude, don't have any direction towards which direction. These are scalar physical quantity. That means mass. These are mass, work, pressure. Okay. Then vector. The vector physical quantities are which have direction and which have both direction and magnitude. Magnitude means it in kg or anything. That is 5 kg. That magnitude is 5 kg. Okay. That quantity is weight. Okay. Okay, like this. Some examples are weight, force. Okay. Force have both magnitude and direction, so that it is a vector quantity. But mass don't have any direction towards which. If a body placed here, mass m, then towards which direction the mass is placed, no, we cannot find that which direction it is placed. Okay. But if a force is acting this side, then we can call it that the force is acting towards forward direction. Okay. Then these are the physical quantities that we should know. Okay. Then next thing is what is supplementary unit. Next, okay, supplementary unit of SI system. These are example is plane, angle, and radian. Plane, angle, and rad. Then some basic things should know. that 1 meter equal to 100 cm, which is equal to 1000 mm. If we want to convert 1 meter to cm, that means it is we should multiply 100. If we convert 1 cm, if there are 20 cm, then we in question it asked in meter, then we should change that cm to meter. Then 20 cm is converted to meter. Then what is it answers? Then it is come to this types. Then 10 to the power minus 2. Then if we multiply 10 to the power minus 2 in this side, 10 to the power minus 2 into 20, then 0. 0.2 meter. Okay, then it are some basic things. Then what is then 1 megapascal equal to 1 Newton per millimeter square. 1 gigapascal equal to 10 to the power 3 Newton per millimeter square. 1 pascal equal to 1 Newton per meter square. These are some basic idea. Okay, then 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 rad. This is radian, this symbol is rad. Then these are some basic things. And if we placed a body in surface of earth of mass m, then it produces a force that in downward direction is weight. Weight is a force due to mass m, and its value is mass into acceleration due to gravity, and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. This is meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Then here a force also produced, that is called normal reaction. This is always make 90 degree to the surface of the surface where the body is placed. If it is in inclined surface, then mass m, then the normal reaction in this side, that always perpendicular to the surface. Okay, and weight is always downward. To the earth. Okay, this is all are about some basic things about physical quantities and some unit, different types of unit, and fundamental physical quantities is 4 types. That fundamental physical quantity: derived, scalar, vector. Fundamental is mass, length, time, temperature, and derived physical quantity: velocity, acceleration, force, and many things. Then scalar, which have only magnitude, and then vector, which have both magnitude and direction. Okay, all these things for today. Thank you.